हाय फ्रेंड्स, आशा करता हूँ आप सब अच्छे होंगे। मेरा नाम है कुंदन वर्मा। प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। आज मैं आप लोग के लिए 100 WPM लीगल मैटर्स का एक पैसेज लेकर आया हूँ। आपको और भी मेरे चैनल पे डिक्टेशन टाइम टू टाइम मिलते रहेंगे। शो स्टार्ट करते हैं। बी रेडी, स्टार्ट। The principle of constitution is now a legal principle which requires control over the exercise of governmental power to ensure that it does not destroy the democratic principles upon which it is based. Stop. These democratic principles include the protection of fundamental rights. Stop. The principle of constitutionalism advocates a check and balance model of the separation of powers. Stop. It requires a diffusion of powers necessitating different independent centers of decision making. Stop. The principle of constitution underpins the principle of legality, which requires the courts to interpret legislation on the assumption that Parliament would not wish to legislate contrary to fundamental rights. Stop. The legislature can restrict fundamental rights, but it is impossible for laws protecting fundamental rights to be implicitly repealed by future statutes. Parachange. Since the basic structure of the Constitution includes some of the fundamental rights, any law granted ninth schedule protection deserves to be rested against these principles. Stop. If the law infringes the essence of any of the fundamental rights or another aspect of basic structure, then it will be struck down. Stop. The extent of abrogation and limit of abridgment shall have to be examined in each case. Stop para. Each exercise of the amending power inserting laws into ninth schedule entails a complete removal of the fundamental rights chapter vis-a-vis the laws that are added in the ninth schedule. Stop. Secondly, insertion in ninth schedule is not controlled by any defined criteria or standards by which the exercise of power may be evaluated. Stop. Thank you.